my pixelated friends, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make minigames, specifically Spleef. So the first thing you're going to want to do is type /mgm create and then the name you want your Spleef to be called. And by the way, you're going to have to get the plugin Minigames, and I will have that in the description. So mgm create, and then I'm going to call it Spleef 2 since I already have a Spleef and Super Spleef, so I'll do Spleef 2. And yeah, so then you're going to want to do mgm set set, and then you're going to have to do Spleef 2 like that. Min players, this is what's the least amount of players I can go in. I'm going to set it to 1 since I want to be showing you how it's used and everything. So we'll do 1, and then we're going to do max players, and then 2. By the way, this is in no particular order. The different things, you can do them in any order you want as long as you remember to do all of them. So yeah, the next thing we're going to want to do is I'm just going to set this is how the arena regenerates. So yeah, this is how, whenever one breaks everything, it regenerates without you actually having to go in and build it all back. So what you're going to want to do is type mgm set r block add and then 1. That might have moved a little too quick. There's no command R block. Just see for a second. Oh, it's the minigame, sorry about that. mgm set, and then you have to put the name. You have to remember to put the name. Spleef 2 R block add 1. And you're going to want to do that at the top corner. You can do it at the bottom corner also. It's kind of like world edit, as long as you get from whatever selection you want the top of your arena to the other side, like selecting it all in a square. So you're going to go down to the bottom like that. Let me set it as day, and hopefully those mobs will die. But you're going to do mgm and then set, actually let me just hit up and then just do 2. So you have 1 and 2, they're both set like that. And yeah, the next thing you're going to want to do is create your lobbies. You're going to have a lobby, well, they're not all lobbies. You have one lobby. This is a lobby. This right here is the end, and this is the start. Basically what end and quit, not end and start, is what end means is that's you win. You ended the game, you won. This is quit. That means you either quit or you died. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make your lobby. These are just examples. So make your lobby, and then when you're in your lobby where you want them to spawn, do mgm set Spleef 2 or whatever you call your minigame, and then do lobby like that. And it says lobby position has been set. So you go over to your end position or where you want people to win. Probably put diamonds and stuff all around. mgm set Spleef 2 end. And this is that's where they win. And then over here we're gonna have mgm set, we just hit up, and then this is quit. So there, now all your lobbies are set, your min players and max players are set. The last thing you have to do, or you can do it in whatever order you want, but you set where your players spawn after the lobby countdown is done. They will spawn in here. So you have to get them to spawn in here, you'll have to do mgm set Spleef, or whatever you called your minigame, and then I think Spleef, and then start, and then 1. That will set the starting position for player 1. That's the first player. It's kind of self-obvious. Anywho, but then you go like this. 2. That's 2. I'm only going to have 2 because I set earlier the min players 2. Just because this is just a test, not my real minigames on the server. But yeah, let me go to my spawn, and you get to make signs. Like, they're actually minigame signs that you click on, which is kind of cool. these signs right here, like paintball, super spleef, skywars, spleef, all those I already have. So I'm going to go over to where I placed before this video the sign. I'm going to show you how to make this. Let me just make the exact same thing right under it. So you're going to want to do brackets, MGM, or you can put minigame if you want. Then one line, join, no spaces or anything. Another line, then the name of the minigame. So Spleef 2, like that. And then it's going to make a sign like that. And then let's click it. Oops, minigame's currently not enabled. Let me do /MGM enable, oops, MGM set. I think I have to do it like that. There. Okay, so you have to type true. Okay, so now it's enabled. Now you click this, and it would normally have been enabled, except I had done this tutorial once before. So, yeah. Go like that, you click it, and boom. It did not teleport me to the lobby. I have no idea why. Let me just figure this out real quick. But I think it did it. Okay, so MGM quit. These are other commands, by the way. You're gonna have to troubleshoot this a little bit because it doesn't always work. But you see that worked. So let's go over to here and make sure that's set because that somehow got messed up. Okay. Now that that's set, let's try joining that again. You can also type, rather than clicking the sign, MGM join and then the name. Okay, now this is kind of confusing me. Let's see. So, oh, I know now. I forgot to set the type of, So is what you have to do right after you create it. You should, I didn't, forgot to, but you should go MGM set Spleef and then type. And is what you have to do is put Spleef. So then the game's type is set to Spleef. That way it will know to give you a shovel and everything like that. So now let me do MGM quit, because it didn't know what I was doing really there. So now let's join again. See? Now it goes here. And you see the countdown. Can't really point to it, but you see the countdown. It goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And for some reason, it's been doing this to me ever since I got it. It goes back to that. I'm sure there's a way to fix that. You might look on the forums. But yeah, so you get in here, then you know how Spleef works. Go like this, go like this. I'm just gonna jump in. I died because I think a mob killed me. Yeah, I was blown up by a creeper. But is what you're also gonna want to do. I'll cover this at the end. But yeah, you lose. So if I had fallen in lava, I would have lost. And you would have either gone back to where your home is or, you know, stuff like that. And you would have probably typed /spawn. So that is basically the game, but it's what you're going to want to do because you saw what just happened. Oh, by the way, you can see it's all regenerated. That's the main point of having a minigame, and also the lobbies and everything like that. So if you don't have World Edit, I would definitely recommend getting it. I'll put a link in the description for that too, but you're probably going to need that for this. You don't really need it. It's not entirely necessary unless you want to get blown up by mobs all the time. So I'm going to go up 30 just because... why not? And then I'm going to go down here. Like this. If you don't know how to use World Edit, look up another tutorial on that. There's lots of them. But yeah, so then you do /set. Actually /expand vert. This is for making a region. You're also going to need a world guard, which I'll put another link in the description for. And then region define Spleef 2. This is just for making this a region. 1, so people don't grief it. 2, so you can set flags. This is going to turn into a World Edit video. No, it's not. But yeah, you do region. Oops, typed region wrong. Flag. And then mob spawn. deny. Sorry if I'm typing a little bit slow. Oops, forgot to put the thing. Okay, so that has deny there, and then as another thing you're going to want to do is disable PvP, because if they can PvP, they'll hit each other with a shovel and kill each other that way, which is not what you want to happen. So PvP, deny. Okay, now you're pretty much all set up. You saw me playing it. It's just I won't get blown up by a mob, so I'll do it one last time. MGM, join, Spleef 2. It'll join me in, and it'll give me my little countdown thing. This will say whatever message you want here. And, let's do this again. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And yeah, we're in, and see, I started from the position, have my diamond shovel built in, all ready to go. Break this. If you're going to have it really big, well, then again, that's set into the preset. So you go like this, break all this, break all this. And I'm just going to jump in because I don't think I can really win since I'm by myself. So get in. Nice hot tub. Okay. Now, I hit respawn. You lose. Do /spawn. And you can also have a command block or a warp sign or something to your spawn if you want. You could have this as a warp sign to spawn. But yeah, that is pretty much it.